Hello everyone, welcome to a Budget Mods video. Right, today what we have upside down is multi-purpose automobile armrest box. What this is an armrest for your car. Right. I think the base of them is probably different for each car. This one fits my car. So you've got the bottom bit that goes into the cup holder, some sort of plate that sits on top of it. And then the armrest. Inside you've got a compartment for your phone, maybe, and then another deeper bit with some weird little things in it, or not there for. And some screws. Right, so this plate here, screw holes in each corner. The screws into the top of this. And go at the bottom, the screw holes, I must screw into where the cup holder is, make sure it doesn't wobble about. Right, okay, so the base, turn on the right angle, this is going to sit in here, the plate's going to sit on top. Say that way maybe, and then the armrest is going to sit on top of that. It slides into it. Yeah, you can see it's got these little groove things that slides in. Yeah, but I haven't screwed it down yet. Yeah, so that's going to sit in there like that, and then we got ourselves an armrest. Okay, so I've come to realise these are stuck on the sides here, and when you put it in to the cup holder, right, it keeps it in solid, so I don't actually think that we need to screw it in. So all we need to do really is put this in, and screw the base plate to the top. And that should be it really. I'm surprised. Okay, so what I've done is I've now stuck these all around it in the hope that it fits. And if it does, it should be in pretty solid. Or I may have overdone it. Just not in. Let's have a play with it, but it's not gonna go anywhere. That it's in, absolutely solid. So you don't even have to screw in. And that's that. So where's that base plate? Put it on there. Screws. I'll do this one-handed. So they all look to me like they're the same size. What's that? That was sit in the end, maybe? Stop it going anywhere? Don't know. Right, anyway, let's just get these in. 2, 3, maybe a few. 4. Sometimes strip it all. Come out the way. Come back in the bag. Get in the stupid bag. Right. Hey. Quality content. Then this, let me swap hands, should slot in. So, open, get in. Open. That feels like. There we go. That slides right forward. Okay. That feels solid to me. But that's that. We've got loads of mess in here. Gonna clean it up and then we're gonna have a proper look. Okay. The armrest is now in. As you can see, it fits nicely. It's nice and solid. It looks honestly like another car. It extends. It's nice and cozy. You can just chill while you're driving now. Right? Vauxhall Corsas come with this standard, stupid. And the handbrake, still get to it nice and easy. No problem. And now we've got all this extra space. Stuff like. Oh yeah, little lights, 2 sets. That's pretty much it. I haven't got anything else to put in it. That's now officially my ship truck. Okay, so yeah, that was a nice short video really. If you liked it, you know, subscribe, leave me a little like. And comment on other stuff you'd like to see. The next video that I'm planning on doing is my neon lights that I've got under the footwells. I'm going to have to take them out and reinstall them to do the video, but I think it's worth doing because the way I've done it, I'll show you. So, what I've done is I put this switch in. Turn the ignition on. Where's my stupid keys? Yeah, and on the switch. So you do the switch and it come on. So that'll be my next video. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.